Hello, everyone, and welcome to Daily Fluent English. I'm Priya.
And I'm Rohan. Today's topic is very useful in daily life. How to give advice in English.
Yes, we all give advice to friends and family. But in English, there are many natural ways to do it. Today, we'll learn the most common and polite expressions.
Priya, if your friend is feeling stressed, what advice would you give?
I would say, you should take some rest. Or, why don't you go for a walk? It might help you feel better.
Nice. I usually say, if I were you, I would talk to someone about it. Or, you could try listening to music to relax.
Those are good. Let's look at the most useful structures for giving advice.
First, you should. This is the most common way. You should drink more water. You should practice English every day.
Second, you ought to. This is a little more formal. You ought to apologize to her. You ought to wake up early.
Third, why don't you... This sounds friendly and soft. Why don't you join an English class? Why don't you call him?
Fourth, you could. This is a suggestion, not a strong advice. You could watch English movies. You could try a different method.
Fifth, if I were you... This is very natural and personal. If I were you, I would take a break. If I were you, I wouldn't worry so much.
And one more. You had better. This is stronger and sometimes used for warnings. You had better finish your work on time. You had better not be late.
Now let's practice with a real conversation.
Okay, imagine my friend is not able to wake up early.
Priya, I just can't wake up early. I always feel sleepy in the morning. What should I do?
Why don't you sleep a bit earlier at night? You should also avoid using your phone before bed. If I were you, I would set 2 alarms.
That sounds helpful. I'll try it.
Another situation. Someone wants to improve their English.
I want to improve my speaking, but I'm not sure how.
You should practice speaking every day, even if it's just for 10 minutes. You could also record your voice and listen to it. Why don't you find a speaking partner?
Good advice.
Friends, when you give advice, try to sound helpful, not bossy. Using soft phrases like, why don't you, or you could, makes your advice more polite.
Yes, and always listen to the other person first before giving advice.
Today's challenge for you. Your friend says, I feel very lazy and can't focus on studies. Write 2 to 3 pieces of advice in the comments using different structures. We will check them.
Thank you for watching Daily Fluent English. If you found this lesson useful, please like, share, and subscribe.
Keep practicing these expressions. Giving advice in English will become very easy for you. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.